All right, sir, let's take it slow. We're almost at the physical therapy room.
Thank you, nurse. I appreciate your help.
Zoom in on the ventral access point. Slight adjustment to the right. Perfect.
Imagine a future where a robot can assist during an emergency within seconds.
But this technology wouldn't necessarily replace human doctors. Instead, robot doctors could work alongside them.
We have reviewed the results, and the treatment is working. You are responding very well.
It sounds like science fiction, but as AI and robotics advance, the hospital of the future could look very different.